Hi, Bun. What are you doing? What are you doing? Can I give you love? Oh, don't give you love. Oh. What are you doing? You're gonna groom. Alright, the funny thing was, just a few minutes ago, she was bouncing all around, and then she did her flop and rolled on her back and wiggled, which was adorable. And then I got the camera, and she got up and started grooming. You're a silly bun. You really are. Every time Daddy tries to get some funny pictures of you, you get all serious on me. Go scratch that itch. In case people are wondering, yes, that is my ammo box. I'm sure that'll ruffle a few feathers. We were thinking of naming Bun Ammo because she likes to hide behind it. See, extra bed back there. She's got a little nook back in there. This is her sleeping spot and feeding spot, and mostly she spends her time there only at night when we're sleeping. And then she does pop up in her cage and really loves to pee in that corner. I don't know why she... Oh, there she goes. You're such a goober. Oh, look at that little nose. Look at that little wiggle nose. Oh, she's too cute. Yes, you are. You're adorable. You know you're adorable. That's the thing. You know you are. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You're too funny. Alright. Well, I think I'm going to rough her up a little bit and get her to play some more so she gets a good night's sleep. Later.